everyone, my name is Soren from RMSVocalInstitute.com. Today we'll be talking about stretched ventricular folds.
Hope you're ready. Hi everyone, Soren here from RMS Vocal Institute. Today we'll be talking about M2, the stretched ventricular folds. So I have actually been into this a little bit before in my video about accents. Today it's all about the ventricular folds and how we stretch those instead. It is basically like this. If your larynx goes up, you'll have a higher pitched voice. If your larynx goes down, you'll have a lower pitched voice. And the same goes for the ventricular folds. Da, 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 da. So basically it's the same. No matter if it's distorted or non-distorted singing. So being able to go up and down in pitch very effortlessly in clean singing is equally important when it comes to distorted singing. So because of this, there is a lot of different sound characters. For example, corn is using ventricular folds, and cerebral bore is using ventricular folds. Two vastly different sounds. Okay, a lot of different things to notice here. But let's try to figure this out. When we raise our larynx, we are, as I said, in this mode. So you do not have to really focus that much on it. So, hi, that is basically my neutral larynx, okay? If I then say mother, my larynx went down. Okay, so if I do it from that position, that is again a stretched larynx. I am pulling it down. And notice pulling, it's not pulling, it's me going to a different laryngeal mechanism. So let's try it out. Neutral larynx, hi everyone. Lower larynx, hi. So that's lower and neutral. What if I raise it? Hi everybody, do you remember this guy? No, but in theory, so let's just go a little bit higher. Hi, 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 hi. Hi. It kind of goes into the South Park kind of a thing, if you remember. So it really depends a little bit on what you like and so forth. But remember that we're doing a vibration for the ventricular folds to get strengthened and stretched and so forth. I hope this helped a lot for you to figure out how to stretch your ventricular folds. Otherwise, book a lesson at rmsvocalinstitute.com. See you there. And if you like the video, remember to subscribe and push that button, that subscribe button, and comment below if there's anything that you would like to know.